I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not.
What's up, YouTube? It is your girl Shay, and you are watching Glamplified Beauty. Anyway, in today's video, I am bringing you a new PR that I got in the mail today. This is from Watch Me Sparkle with my homegirl Kendra. Hey sis, I see you. I see you. Okay, but I'm going to be showing you guys the things that I got. If you are interested in any of the things that I got, the links to them will be down below, and you can also contact her on Facebook. I will put her Facebook link down below as well. But if you are new, welcome. Hey boo, I see you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Glam Dog gang. You know what I'm saying? And make sure y'all hit that good old notification bell that's right next to it, or right next to it, wherever next to it, okay? Make sure y'all tap that thing one time for the one time so y'all be notified every time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get into these goodies that I got, y'all. Okay, so for the moment that you all been waiting for, what I got in the mail today. This is from Watch Me Sparkle from Lovable Kendra here on YouTube. Hey Kendra. She made a company called Watch Me Sparkle, and she sent me some of her stuff so I can show you guys today. So I took everything out of its packaging. My packaging is over there and I can't get to it right now, but I will have a picture of all the stuff all in one right here, right now. Good, ain't it? Don't be hating. But yeah, I did put everything in one of the products that I got from her package, which is this right here. This lovely, it's cute, right? It's cute. I love the texture. But y'all know the reversible sequence cube organizer. This is sequence cube organizer. Turns orange, turns silver, depending on your mood. But she has this, and I have all my goodies inside, so let's get into it. So first things first, we have this little satchel. I think it's called a satchel, I don't know, but it is nice in pink, one of my favorite colors, just so y'all know ahead of time. Okay, so inside here we have two things. It also has some diamond gems there. We have two things. First things first is a keychain. It says Watch Me Sparkle, and it has the website, and it has the letter S embossed in it. Y'all see the S? Got the S on my chest. I'm silly, y'all. But this is the first thing I got. The second thing that I got is really cute. Really, really cute. It has a nice little diamond stone on the top of it, and it is covered in, look at that, y'all. I love anything that sparkles. And this is a glitter liner, you guys. This is in the shade number 3, which is silver, and I'm just gonna give y'all a quick little swatch. So in case y'all are not glitter fanatics like me and can't apply glitter liner to save y'all life, this will just help you out a little bit. But that's what it looks like there. Y'all know I'm going to be using that soon. So that's what came in the pink satchel. The second thing we got that she is selling on her website, I don't know the exact prices, but all the prices I will have listed down below, or I will have the links to where you can get them. But this is a lipstick organizer, you guys. Look at it. It's so cute, and it just sparkles everywhere. Sparkles. This is the back, and it has 4, 8, 12, 16 compartments of where you can hold lipsticks. I'm not a real lipstick wearer, so these are for my glosses, okay? These are going to be all for my glosses or liquid lipsticks. I might get into lipstick, you never know. So I'm going to put this baby right here. Then the next thing I got is this cute little bag, y'all. It is nice and pink and purple, I want to say. but it has holographic glitter on the back. Then the front, bam, rhinestones. And then on the inside, there's an inside, y'all. There's an inside. On the inside, it has a card. It says Mystical, so I'm guessing that's the name. Okay, for some reason, my camera cut off. I don't know. But back into what we was talking about. This is the Mystical brush collection. That is what the flyer looked like. That was inside the bag. And inside, it comes with a 4-piece brush set. Making sure ain't no other surprises in there. Ooh. Now this is dope. I just like it. I like it. Looky, looky, looky. Look at it. Yeah, look at them. But this is the 4-piece brush collection. It comes with the sparkle included, as y'all can see here. And these are the brushes. This is like a lip brush, I'm guessing. It's a lip brush. I can't use it for a cut crease, but this is what that brush looks like. And then the next brush, this is probably like a blush brush or powder brush. And it also has the sparkles. There you go. And this one is an angled brush, a flat angled brush, like an eyebrow brush. It's too thick for me to do my eyebrows with, so I don't know what I would use this one for. But this is that brush. And then we have another brush. This is more like a, I want to say a contour brush. I don't know because it doesn't exactly say what kind of brush it is. But they're very soft. And it's purple with a little bit of blue. And lastly but not least, the grand finale. Make sure y'all get your hands on these brushes. And then last but not least, and it dried down. It dried down. Last but not least is this bad boy right here. This is her grand glitter collection. Her 28 glitters. And it comes in this box. And I think it's 28, 4, 8, 12, 16, 18, 24, 28. Yep, 28 glitters. All in this box. And I can't show you all, but I will show a picture of all of these glitters. Which is also on her site. So I will have a picture here, close up of it. And to let you guys know, you can get it from Watch Me Sparkle, from Lovable Kendra. You can contact her on Facebook, Instagram, but I will have her store link down below so you can check out all the stuff that you might want or do want. Make sure you use my discount code. It will be down below, as well as all the direct links to everything and everything that you might need. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all get y'all sparkle on. Get some Watch Me Sparkle products, because they getting hotter. They getting better. So yeah, that is it. That is all that I have to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well as I did. There was a lot of cute stuff in there. There was a lot of cute stuff in there, y'all. Okay, so check out Watch Me Sparkle. Tell her I sent you. Until then, I will see you glammies later. Bye, glam dolls.
You love